Hi friends, we're on Module 4, Lesson 13. I can use math drawings to represent subtraction with and without decomposition and relate drawings to a written method. Today what we're going to do is the same thing we've been doing with our place value discs, except now we're going to draw them. So I want you to just write this down the horizontal way, 31 minus 18. And then I want you to write it the vertical way, 31 minus 18. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw the 31. Okay, so remember we need to always do it in groups of 5. So there's 10, 20, 30, 31. And I have to ask myself that question. Can I take away 18? Well, I have 1 in the tens place and I have enough 10s. But do I have enough 8s? I don't. So I'm going to unbundle it. And watch how we do that, okay? I'm going to take this and move it here. And I'm going to unbundle my 10. Okay, so I'm going to leave that 1 that was there by itself. And now I'm going to unbundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one gets crossed out because we used that one. I unbundled it. So can I now take away 18? I can. So I'm going to take 1 10 away, crossing it out. And then I'm going to cross out 8 1s. So here's my 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now what do I have left? I have 1 10 and 3 1s. So my answer is 13. Now I have to show, and I should have did this before, what I did for unbundling. When I unbundled, I had only 2 10s, and then I had 11 1s. I'll show you that a little bit more clearly in the next one. All right, here we go. Erase your board. Write 56 minus 29, and then 56 minus 29 the vertical way. We always draw our picture with the whole, the big number, which is 56. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Okay. Can I take away 29? Well, I do have enough 10s, but do I have enough 9s? No. So I have to unbundle. I'm going to take this, put it over here, cross that one out, and I'm going to unbundle my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so now I have to show what I did. I only have 4 10s now because I unbundled, and I don't have 6. I have 16. Here's my 10 and my 6 from before. So I have 16. And now, can I take away 29? I sure can. So I'm going to cross out this one and this one. And I'm going to do 9 from down here. All of these get to go. All of these get to go. And then I count what's left. I have 2 10s. And I have 6 1s and 1 other one, so that's 7. So my answer is 27. All right, I want you to try the next one, and I want you to pause the video, and when you have finished, I want you to come back so we can discuss it. All right, so the first thing you should have done is drawn 72. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Ask yourself, can I take away that 36? I cannot take away that 36. I have to unbundle. That's right. So I am going to take this 10 and squeeze it over here. I'm going to cross it out because I'm going to unbundle it. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to show my work up here on what I did. I unbundled, so I took one of my 10s away, so now I only have 6. And when I unbundled them, I started with my 2, but I have to add that other 10 in. So I'm going to cross out that 2, and that's going to become 12. Now, can I take away 36? I can. So I'm going to take 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Now, how much do I have left? Well, I have 3 10s, and I have 5 1s here and 2 up here. Nope, that's wrong. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, I crossed this one out. See? It's harder on the computer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you should have 6 1s, and it'd be 36. Okay, try this one, 85 minus 48. Pause the video and come back when you're ready. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 85. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85. Can I take away 48? I can't. What do I have to do, friends? That's right, I have to unbundle. So I'm going to cross out one of my 10s. I'm going to draw a line over here to show that I'm unbundling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I have to show my work. I have to show that I crossed out one of my 10s. So now I only have 7. And I don't have 5 anymore. I have 15 because I added that 10 from my unbundling. So now, can I take away 48? I sure can. So let's show how what that would look like. So here's 10, 20, 30, 40. And let's do 8. Here's 5 and 6, 7, 8. So what do I have left? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 10s. Come on. And I have 7 1s. So my answer, 37. All right, we're going to be doing a lot of these today, and I just want you to try your best. And if you have any questions, let me know when we meet together during concept development. All right, see you later.